Okay guys, I'm really excited. I finally got my Brytn Smile package. I'm just gonna open it up with y'all. Okay. So this is the Premium Teeth Whitening Kit. Let's make sure that's in focus. Cool. By Brytn Smile. And so what I will post is the link to get 20% off of this down below for you guys. I personally drink a lot of coffee. I don't know about you guys. Like, I need this. The Crest whitening strips, I've used those and they tend to hurt my gums. So I'm really excited to try this. They're showing you like a before and after of what your teeth might look like. We can only hope. And I just got Invisalign too, right? So some of my teeth have moved and like what you couldn't see before and now you can see. So this is the device. Oh, damn, okay. So this flips out and then you've got the 3 whitening pens. So you first take the pen, at least this is what the instructions are telling me to do. And you put this on your teeth. Let's see, do you have to like pump it out or how do you get it out? Oh, you twist it. Okay, you twist it. Okay, it's coming out, so. It's not hurting. That's good. That's good. And then here's this one. So I started off on number 4, and I know it's reversed, so it's annoying. But I'm trying to get to number 1. It says not to eat or drink for 20 to 30 minutes after the treatment, which I've completed. And yeah, you just repeat daily until you're achieved results. I feel like it's already working. Okay, I really liked this a lot. It doesn't hurt your teeth. I can swallow without tasting that gross film. And it didn't give me any gum sensitivity at all. I think because of the guard, it's like protecting your teeth, I guess. It's like keeping all of the gel on your teeth instead of in the rest of your mouth, which is great. It comes with this reusable USB charger, so it just like boop, magnetizes to it, and then you can just charge it with any USB port, which I think is pretty good. It comes with 3 of the gel packs, and then you can refill the gel packs. You just have to buy, you know, they come in sets of 3 and you can get them anytime you need. So the starter set comes out to, I think it's like $210, but it's on a discount for $194 right now. And then, like I said, I also have a 20% off code that I will have down below for you guys that you can use. And it's great because it's reusable. They also give back, which I think is really great. They give part of their proceeds to Operation Smile, which is an amazing program. They help kids with cleft palates and make sure they have like safe surgeries. You know, kids who can't afford to have, you know, their whole mouths fixed basically. So it's a really sweet program. So all in all, I think this is a really good brand. I think it's a really good company. You should go check them out.